If you're wondering if Tory Burch is still in style, the answer is a big yes from both celebrities, fashion editors, and myself. Keep watching to find out which pieces celebrities and stylists are loving right now from this brand that's committed to empowering women. It's the minimalistic and practical Tory Burch Romy bag that's putting Tory Burch bags firmly back on the map. Dubbed the Rebirch, her bags have been seen on celebrities everywhere, including Emma Roberts, Michelle Williams, and Suki Waterhouse. Now, I just got my hands on the brand new Romy Hobo bag, so I'm sharing why they're back in style and how you can incorporate them into your wardrobe. Tory Burch has been making a massive comeback recently. Just look at her star-studded runway show and the amount of celebrities carrying them right now. I think a lot of the reason is that Tory Burch bags are practical, timeless, versatile, and come at a much more accessible price point compared to a lot of other luxury brands. What I also like is they also have a really strong focus on female empowerment and have given back and supported other women through the Tory Burch Foundation, which was founded in 2009. Just because Tory Burch is back in style doesn't mean you can just grab your old Tory Burch bag out of hiding. I mean, you can, that's just not necessarily what's in style. It's the Tory Burch Romy bag that's really popular right now. So this is a new Tory Burch Romy Hobo bag in size small. Now, they did redo their packaging and I'm not in love with it. I love green, but they could have done such a prettier shade. This is like a frog green, a slime green. I'm sorry, Tory, but this is not doing it for me. I do like the texture of it though. Hello. Now, I was torn between the regular and small hobo bag, but I went with the small as I already have a bag I use for travel that's a very similar size to the regular. And the small looked a really practical size, as you can see. Now, I've already taken this out a few times and the small is still big enough for your everyday essentials. It fits my phone, sunglasses case, water bottle, protein bars, wallet, keys, and even my tripod. Now, you won't have seen many people or celebrities with this bag yet, or at the time I filmed this anyway, as it's Tory Burch's newest release. So thank you, Tory, for sending one my way. You might not even notice this trend as these new designs fly under the radar. I mean, would you even know this was a Tory Burch bag? There's no large logo. These are elegant and definitely fall more into that quiet luxury at a better price category. We're talking about $565 at the max, which is one less zero than a lot of other high-end bags celebrities tend to carry. And yes, they're still made from genuine leather. So I went with the light cream, didn't we? Because I have so many black bags and we are heading into summer. And I just thought it was a perfect color to go with everything. Now, the pebbled leather is really lightweight. And as much as I love chain straps, the leather strap is way more comfortable for carrying it for longer periods of time. And the marks at chain sleeve isn't really cute as the style of the bag is. So even though it does carry a lot, as with all bags, try not to overstuff them just to help retain its shape. Now, this one doesn't have a zipper. It just has a lobster clasp. So if you're worried about pickpockets or things falling out, you can always use your dust bag to put everything in, pop it inside, and then do that up. Problem solved. The Romy Tory Burch style comes in 7 iterations, so there's really a style and size for everyone. They come in a variety of neutral colors like cream, black, brown, granite, and tiramisu, aka tan, for a really versatile, practical, everyday bag. Although there is a really pretty lemon yellow color if you want something fun and bright for summer. Even the small bags like this one are a really practical size and they're super lightweight, unlike my Chanel 19 bag where the chunky chains make it a workout every time I use it. Now, I can totally see why celebrities are wearing the Romy bag. It's lightweight and it feels safer to carry around than other bags that are obviously designer. The minimalist design and the neutral color is also unlikely to date, and the color means it will go with everything. This is one of those bags that's really easy to throw a load of stuff in and go. Although if you're looking for a mum bag and like to carry everything around, or if you want to fit in your laptop, you might prefer the Romy Hobo bag or Romy Tote, which I also have on my wish list, rather than the small version that I have. If you prefer something that shuts properly so no one can see or reach inside your handbag, check out the Tory Burch Romy bucket bag, because you can adjust the belted strap to change the size of the opening and secure it in place with the silver logo button. It makes it harder for people to reach in or see in. The strap is adjustable on this one, so you can make it the length you want, and I like that. I have such a short torso, sometimes the straps are just way too big for me, Although even on this one and being short, you're not going to be able to make it long enough to where it's a crossbody bag. So if you're looking for a purse with a detachable crossbody strap, look at the Romy Crossbody, Romy Bucket Bag, or Small Romy Tote Bag, which all come with a long detachable strap, and it makes it a great choice for airport travel. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you found some inspiration for your own style. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a quick thumbs up and subscribe for more fashion content. Also, let me know in the comments which bag you love the most, and if you're liking Tory Burch again, or if you're still saying it's out. Also, drop any questions you have below as well. Until next time.